How to create a playlist on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, on the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see there's no option of playlist. So what we can do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen and select on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on the option of report a problem. Here, you can simply tap on search for an issue or scroll down to the very end and select on chat with us. So this way you can have direct interaction with the TikTok support team. Now what you simply need to do over here is you need to communicate with the TikTok support team. So first of all, let's say a message over here and let's just ask a question that I cannot create a TikTok playlist. What to do? So let's just send this message over here, and they might definitely help us over here with the proper answer. So here it says that the playlist feature is currently available only to creators who have over 10,000 followers on TikTok. So it's eligibility that is not letting us create a playlist on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.